It's not over.
Not over.
Until God says that it's done.
It's kind of the final say. Whatever He says goes. Without a talent. Collinger and Juka. It's a special one. Let's do this.
It's not over. It's God said you're not done.
It's not over.
It's not over.
It's not over.
God says shut up.
It's not over.
It's not over until you've triumphed. It's not over until the battle has been won. No matter what the pressures of life throws at me, I will stand firm and not go down to the
Never.
All around the people looking at me, I owe them a prayer. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. God turned my life around and put it in order. Situations come my way, I don't go undercover, cause God is with me and He told me it's not over.
Better believe that.
I'm a child of God,
Then I
and
must.
the Almighty is with me. The rod and thy staff may comfort me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. So I don't have to fear,
Never.
cause I know that you're coming is near.
Without a
So when
doubt.
these situations come my way, I know that you are here to stay, and yet said it's not over. It's not over. Cause God says you're not done. It's not over. God says shut up. It's not over until you triumph.
To God be the glory.
It's not over
Until the battle
has been won.
Yo, God say you live and strive. You shall live, not die. You laugh, not cry. Your joy is nice. Say your pain will die. Your healing is nigh. Hold on to Christ. Oh, He'll change your life. Make your darkness a light. Say your burdens light. Your fears nullified. Blessing multiply. Wretched soul justified. Have faith in Christ. Make Him bona fide. You won't regret your choice. From your truth to the Most High, He'll stick by your side. For sure you will strive. Like the sun you will shine. Like Job you will live in the time. Though transgression you face, persecution you take, your faith should never shake. Oh God of the final say, hold on to Him, only Him can decide your fate. And this is what He says.
This is what He said.
It's not